Umakhiwa obona lo umzimkhulu wezohaji SABC kulapho nathi sikhona.
Babiki bendaba bomkhatsho nakumabona kude abanzinze lapha esiqongolweni nanzi ezijujileko.
There is no power to suspend. It's appoint, dismiss, nothing in between.
Bekasachukana amagqwetha ajamele umkhonto wesizwe party nalawa ajamele umbuso eqaleni lokujanyiswa kwakangqongqothe wamapholisa uSenzo Mchunu.
Those who voted in favor, they are 56. And those who voted against, they are 10. There wasn't any abstinence.
Umkhandlu wemfunda zelizweli uphasise ukukhibelelwa komthethomlingwa wokusiza iEskom engkweleteni.
Tsunami threats warning. That's why I'm again repeating my plea to stay away from coastlines.
Bayeleliswe bona bayokwakha endaweni eziphezulu abantu abasahlelwe yitsunami America. Siyathokoza ukufumana usilindile mbukeli nendaba zanamhlanje zihlanganyelwe ngumabona kude kunye nomhajo. Mina nginguCedric Mwebla.
Siyathokoza ukuthi ungamukele Cedric lamibizo ngingusibusiso Sikhosana uhlahla wehlelo zibuya nabazumi kuKwekwezi FM nanzi ezijujileko.
Ixetshe lijamele umkhonto wesizwe party uadvocate Anton Katz uthi akunamthetho othi umjaphethe kangqongqothe kufanele akhethwe abe kucabinet naye. uKatz bekanganga ikhotho yezomthetho sisekelo ngokubekwa kwakaProfessor uFiroz Khachalia njengomjaphethe kangqongqothe wamapholisa. Kanti uthi ukubekwa kwakaKhachalia bekungasemthethweni. Uthi indinyana isection 97 yomthetho sisekelo ivumela umengameli bona asuse ungqongqothe olilunga lecabinet amuse komunye umsebenzi.
Amagqwetha eMK Party aphikisa ukujanyiswa kwaSenzo Mchunu kube kuProfessor Firoz Khachalia njengomjaphethe. Amagqwetha la athi umengameli ubhalelwe ukuhlathulula umthetho.
And so chapter 5 as a whole is the wording, the context, the purpose and the history when it comes to, for example, the interim constitution tells us one thing and one thing only. There is no power to suspend. It's appoint, dismiss, nothing in between. There is no such thing as an acting minister.
I've elected to appoint an acting minister of police from outside cabinet, as I'm entitled to do in terms of section 91(3)(c). That's a misstatement of the law. Section 91(3)(c) does not entitle him to appoint an acting minister of police. The section which he was obviously oblivious of, which entitles him to appoint an acting minister, is section 98.
But Mr. Mpofu, I think we're quibbling with words. There is no way that the president could have appointed an acting minister from outside.
Well, that's what he says, under oath. So we must tell him he's lying.
Amagqwetha kaMengameli avikela amagadango kaMengameli okufaka nelokwethula ikomishini yokuphenya izisolo zikaMkhwanazi zobukhohlakala eminyangweni wamapholisa nobulungiswa.
And we submit that in that context, that power to place a minister on suspension or place him on leave in order to test wild allegations made in this sense is properly a power that is necessary for the proper exercise of the power to dismiss.
The first component is that the president can appoint at the beginning, and in the middle, he can assign. If I may pause in the middle for a moment and go to 98 and say, again in the middle, 98 tells us that he can also reassign the functions if the cabinet minister is temporarily out of action or is absent, temporarily absent. And at the end, the third component, he may dismiss. Those are the three parts of 91(2).
Umkhandlu wemfunda zelizweli uphasisa ukukhibelelwa komthethomlingwa wokusiza iEskom engkweleteni. Phambilini umthethomlingwa lo uphasiswe iParliament.
Umthethomlingwa lo uyingcenye yamahlelo ongenelele ekusizeni ihlangano ephakela igezi le entshitshilweni zeminyaka ngeminyaka eqalene nazo nomraro wayo wemali. Ifuna ukungezelela imali yabelu Eskom eminyakeni imali ka-2025-2026 isuswe ku-40 billion yamaranda ibe ngaphezulu kwe-80 billion yamaranda. Yethule ne-10 billion yamaranda ezokungezelelwa ngo-2028-2029. Lokhu bingwe ngakho ukuphungula inkwelete ze-Eskom nokuvuselela amandla ehlangano le wokuphehla nokuphakela igezi kunye nokukhulisa umnotho. Umthethomlingwa lo uvotelwe leningi ngilabo abajamela imfundo emkhandlweni wemfunda zelizweli i-NCOP. I-EFF yona beyiphikisana nawo umthethomlingwa lo.
Initial act was passed, the EFF raised concerns about the manner in which the National Treasury was approaching Eskom's problems. We reject the so-called strict conditions set by the government on Eskom because they prioritize the interest of those who lend money to Eskom over the needs of our people.
This bill is critical to reduce the debt liability of Eskom to enable it to become a going concern. This bill prevents Eskom from defaulting on its debt liability, for which there are government guarantees.
Those who voted in favor, they are 56. And those who voted against, they are 10. There wasn't any abstinence.
Usihlalo umkhandlu wemfundo uRefilwe Mthweni Tsipane ukwamukela ukuphasiswa komthethomlingwa lo.
Ibandla lezokutshutshiswa komphakathi eGauteng lihocise icala lokubulala ebelithweswe umduduzi Mnisi obeka solwanga ukubulala ulikhona Force weminyaka eli-14 ubudala. Umnisi uvele ekhotho kaMagistrata weRoodeport namhlanje ngemva kokuthi kuvele ilwazi litsha. Isidumbu sika Force satholakala emangweni eDurban Deep ngomgwengweni umnyaka lo. Kanti umnisi bekathweswe icala lokulinga ukubulala nokudlelezela watshotshululwa ngeparoli ngoNobayeni ngo-2018.
Umnisi uthi kuyamthabisa ukuthi lihocisiwe icala bekathweswe lona. Kanti wayephika vele ukuthi uyabandakanyeka ekubulaweni kwakaForce.
Ngalincenga ngalicitshela ukuthi azingicela ukuthi mina like noma ungangibophanga even if uthathile iDNA yami if ukuthi kunento oyitholayo ungeze uzobuya uzongilanda.
Ibandla lezokutshutshiswa komphakathi lithi lithatha isiqundo sokuhocisa icala ngombana akuveli ilwazi elitsha nabekuphenywako.
Indeed, as the NPA, we have taken a decision to withdraw the charges against Mduduzi Mnisi. This is pursuant to the emergence of new information that we were following up.
Umndeni kaForce uthi unethemba lokubana uzokufumana ubulungiswa.
Bachilo bathi basamele uphando lisaqhubeka lisase-on lona. Thina njengefamily akusiyithi ababethe umduduzi ubulele. Kulo muntu wayechilo, so thina sisalindele kwingalo yomthetho ukuthi iqhubeke nophando.
Kananyana lihocisiwe icala likaMnisi kusaphenywa ukubulawa kwakaForce.
Uyise lomsanyana weminyaka emihlanu obudala uDitebogo Phalane Junior wadunyuzwa ubulawa nabadlelezelwako eSoshanguve ngomnyaka opheleleko. Uzwakalise ukuthokoza lokha indoda eyodwa kamathathu abasolwa ngokubulala umntwana wakhe badinywa ebheyile ekhotho kaMagistrata yePitori namhlanje. Magistrata uthe batsho umsolwa wokuthoma uElia Mayeko wabhalelwa ukuveza amabanga ukuthi kuba yini kufanele anikelwe ibheyili.
Ngemva kwesikhathi eside sokufaka kwesibawo sebheyili, umsolwa weminyaka ema-36 ubudala uyifumene ipendulo yakhe. Ikhotho akhenge izamukele inzathu zakhe zokuthi kuba yini afanele anikelwe ibheyili nangaphandle kokuthi afake nokuthi batsho ugulelwa ngunina begodu unabantwana kanti kuqale yena nekhaya ngehlangothini lokubondla.
In conclusion, the court finds that the applicant had failed to discharge the onus that rests on him of establishing on a balance of probabilities that exceptional circumstances exist which warrant his release out on bail. Bail is denied. The applicant will remain in custody until the matter is finalized in court.
We welcome the decision of the court not to grant accused number 1 bail. You must remember the other 2 accused abandoned their bail application. And accused number 1 at some point did abandon his bail application twice actually.
Umndeni uthi lokhu kuphenduleka kumthandazo wawo.
Nakhetsa iPetogo's birthday, so to hear such news of they have been denied the bail, so it makes it easier for us, at least because usual times we come here, we are drained, we come here, they take us back. But for now, they took us back. And then at the end, we got a little bit of consolation of the bail being denied.
uDitebogo wadunyuzwa wabulawa ngesikhathi abasolo abathathu badlelezela iveni kayise eSoshanguve ngomnyaka opheleleko kanti umuntu wamdumuzako wasebenzisa isigidi esetshelwe ipolisi elithileko. Amadoda amathathu asolwa ngokubulala, ukudlelezela abahlomile kunye nokutholakala nesigidi esingasisemthethweni alindeleke ukuthi abuyele ekhotho mhlamalanga ali10 ngenyanga ezako lapho bayokunikelwa khona umbiko wabo ngokusemthethweni ukuthi icaleli lizokudluliselwa ekhotho ephakemeko yePitori lapho lokulalelwa khona.
Abasebenzi besikhwama esisiza abafundi ngemali zokufunda emazweni wefundo ephakemeko iNSFAS bafahla amakhaza asahlele eKapa ukuyokungenela ijima lokuchakala kokuthoma eKapa ekseni namhlanje njengoba nabalungiselela umchakalo omkhulu ongahle ube khona. Abasebenzi ababachakalele ngaphandle kwama-ofisi balila ngokungaphathwa ngendlela engakafanele baphathi banje.
Ubujamo bezulu beKapa obumakhaza nobunomoya akhange bukhandela abasebenzi beNSFAS ukuthi baragele phambili nejima labo lokuchakala. But batsho inlilo zabo azilalelwa.
Such as the system's dysfunctionalities at NSFAS, which at large is impacting on the disbursement of allowances to students, the lack of policies for the many years before. We've been trying to management to say NSFAS is currently using outdated policies.
Abanye abasebenzi bazwakalise ukusilingeka kwabo.
We've got incompetent leaders. Leadership is so important for a healthy organization. You have an organization with an environment that is toxic.
Many times when we try to speak up against the issues that the students are encountering, one of them being the system being broken. This is something that we have been talking about all these years.
We have been trying by all means to avert the strike because we know what ramification does it have to the student.
Okhulumela iNSFAS uIshmael Mnisi akhanga tholakala ukuzoziphendulela.
Nasibuya entolo.
Lani. Lighting.
Ithuse abanengi ivideo egega kwenkundleni zokuthintana lapho umntwana atikela ababelethi indakamizwa naye wadosa wabe wanikina ihloko. Sisaraga nendaba lapha mbukeli.
Kanina zikuphundileke indaba uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asirage nazo. Izikwe liyelelisa ngobujamo bezulu eAmerica liyelelise ngamawururu angabangela itsunami embi emazweni asegwini elinge Russia, iJapan, iAlaska neHawaii. Mhlapa nje iRussia yahlelwe kuzamazama kwephasi.
Mhlapha nje kezinye ingcenye zendawo eziseRussia kwazamazama iphasi ngesilinganiso esi-8.8 Richter scale endaweni eziningi ezincane egwini yeHawaii.
So far we have not seen a wave of consequence, which is a great relief to us. It's kind of a blessing to not be reporting any damage. We have seen significant water recede several times in Haleiwa, and there were 2 waves that were measured coming through the Midway Atoll.
Bezobujamo bezulu bakhombela isitshaba ukuthi bayelele.
Our number one priority is to get people to safety. You know, our number one priority is life safety. And so right now it's an easy thing. Get away from the beaches, get inland and get upward.
Imphathimandla zeJapan zithi le tsunami ingozi. Bafuna abantu abakhe nqa ngegwini ukuthi bafuduke msinya. Njengebe plantini yamakhemikhali wenuclear.
He says for citizens in the areas included in the tsunami warning, please evacuate to a safe place immediately, such as designated evacuation buildings and hills.
Nanyana kunjalo umnqophisi kahulumende weRussia uthi bangaphakanyelwa maphaphu.
These tsunami threats warning. That's why I'm again repeating my plea to stay away from coastlines. specialists have already begun a thorough inspection of sites and significant facilities for possible quake damage.
Kanti ne-Indonesia bamemezele ukuthi ingasahlela itsunami nanyana ingazokuba bukhali kangako.
Uma nabanye abantu ababili babotshiwe eNuclear eJohannesburg ngendaba yokukhuthaza umntwana oneminyaka emine obudala 4 years bona abheme indakamizwa ama-Mandrakes evidweni egega enkundleni zokuthintana. Umntwana lo ubonakala atikela unina indakamizwa bese unina adosa ibhodlelwana elinendakamizwa lelo kuthe pu intuthu. Umntwana lo sikhuluma nje uthethwe wasiwa endaweni ephephileko.
Ithusa abaningi video yomsanyana ubhenyiswa indakamizwa. Abantu abadala beminyaka phakathi kwema-28 obudala neminyaka ema-36 obudala baqale namacala wokukhahlumeza nongathlokomela umntwana.
Officers located the mother who matched the description from the video, and when questioned, she identified 2 other individuals present in the video, including the person who recorded it. The officers approached the identified suspects, introduced themselves, and questioned them about the footage, and all 3 suspects confessed to using drugs known as Mandrakes and admitted to filming the incident.
Inhlangano ezilwela amalungelo abantwana zithwenyekile ngomthelela walokhu emntwaneni.
Was only a single occurrence, but it is such a traumatic thing that will carry through throughout his life if he doesn't get the proper counseling and support.
Indaba le iveza ukuthwenyeka ngokuphepha kwabentwana nanyana basemakhaya ekugulapha ekufuze ngathana bayaphepha khona.
This was captured on a video, but we see so many places where children are exposed to things that they are not supposed to be exposed to at a very young age. And it is not acceptable, and it really does have a traumatic impact.
Abathathu ababalindele ukuvela ekhotho eJohannesburg ngelesine.
Asikalo umbono wakho mbukeli ngomntwana obhenyiswa ngunina indakamizwa. Naku umbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
Benze kakuhle babotshwe bothe nokubhemisa umntana omncinci isidakamizwa beberom kakhulu.
Awa ababotshwe inyawo nezandla umaloyi nabangani bakhe. Ikusasa lomntwana selimochakele.
Awukwazi ukuthi umzali oqotho ofisela ingane yakhe ikusasa lihle neqhakazile kodwa ingane ifake edakamizweni. Uyabona ke abenza lokho ababoshwa ngempela kuseyimanje.
Umbono ngombukeli SABC ayizukuthweswa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli.
Kezemali iranda lehlile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu.